The cost of living adjustment, or COLA, is an annual benefit that ensures the value of your money at retirement keeps up with the rate of inflation. After you retire, you may receive a COLA each April based on the annual rate of inflation, the unique factors of your benefit tier, and the year you retire. The SCRS Retirement Board sets the annual COLA using a formula required by law and based on changes in the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, for all urban consumers in the Bay Area. The CPI is an inflation measure tracking retail prices, and our website shows how inflation is trending through the year. If a change in CPI indicates that inflation is greater than the maximum allowable COLA, then the excess amount goes into what we call the COLA bank. If the annual CPI is less than the maximum COLA and the payee has a positive COLA bank, SCRS will advance any available percentage to grant the payee the maximum COLA adjustment possible. Visit scrs.org to learn more.